Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Justin of Friend Jus, and today we're going to be talking about 28 types of doctors you need to know. Full disclosure, you may notice me modeling as a doctor in some of the images, but I am not a doctor, nor do I hold a medical degree, so this video in no way is intended as medical advice. Let's get into the video. We all know what a doctor is, a person who has a medical degree and treats patients. So let's start with the type of doctor we usually visit first. General medical practitioner or family doctor. A general medical practitioner or family doctor is the primary care doctor for general health and the type of doctor you need to visit for common and basic health issues. A family doctor will also refer you to other types of doctors when needed. Allergist. Allergists are doctors who deal with the immune system and treat people suffering from allergies and asthma. Anesthesiologist. An anesthesiologist, that's pronounced anesthesiologist, is a doctor who gives you anesthesia to put you to sleep during surgery. Cardiologist. Cardiologists are doctors who specialize in heart and blood vessel conditions. Chiropractor. So chiropractors are doctors who use their hands to put misaligned bones back into the correct positions. Dentist. So a dentist is a doctor who takes care of your teeth and your gums. Orthodontist. So an orthodontist is a dentist who straightens teeth using braces. Dermatologist. A dermatologist is a doctor who treats skin, hair, and nail disorders. Gastroenterologist. One of the hardest doctors to pronounce is gastroenterologist. That's gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologists are doctors who treat disorders of the digestive system. So if you're suffering a lot from bloating, this is probably the doctor you need to visit. Gynecologist. A gynecologist is a doctor who specializes in women's reproductive health. Obstetrician. Obstetricians are doctors who specialize in pregnancy and childbirth. Neurologist. So a neurologist is a doctor who treats disorders of the nervous system and the brain. Maybe I need to see a neurologist. Oncologist. Oncologists are the doctors who diagnose and treat cancer. Ophthalmologist. A doctor who specializes in eye care and vision is an ophthalmologist. They're often called eye doctors because even many native English speakers can't remember or pronounce ophthalmologist. So that's ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. Orthopedist. Orthopedists are doctors who treat bone and joint problems. Orthopedic surgeon. So an orthopedic surgeon is simply an orthopedist who performs surgery. Otolaryngologist or ENT. An otolaryngologist or ENT is a doctor who treats ear, nose, and throat problems. This is another type of doctor that many native English speakers cannot remember nor pronounce, so they're often just called ear, nose, and throat doctors. Let me try to help you pronounce this doctor correctly. So otolaryngologist. 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 It's hard, isn't it? Pathologist. So pathologists are doctors that diagnose disease and study tissue, cells, and body fluids in a lab. You don't often get to meet these type of doctors. Pediatrician. So a pediatrician is a doctor who takes care of children and teenagers. Podiatrist. Podiatrists are doctors who treat feet and ankle issues. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrists are doctors who diagnose and treat people suffering from mental health issues. Maybe I should see one. Pulmonologist. So doctors who specialize in lungs and breathing are called pulmonologists. To pronounce that, it is pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. Radiologist. So radiologists are doctors who specialize in reading X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs. Rheumatologist. A rheumatologist is a doctor who treats diseases that affect the joints, muscles, and bones. Surgeon. As you likely already know, surgeons are the doctors who perform surgery. Urologist. A doctor who deals with urinary tract and male reproductive system problems is called a urologist. Veterinarian. Vet. So veterinarians, or vets for short, are doctors who treat animals like cats and dogs and elephants. Plastic surgeon. So plastic surgeons are doctors who specialize in reconstructive and cosmetic surgical procedures. To explain that in a more simple way, they are doctors who perform surgery to improve a person's appearance. I've had the pleasure of teaching dozens of secondary school students and university students who've gone on to become doctors, and many of them are now today's specialists, and I couldn't be prouder. A big and sincere thank you to all of the doctors out there who keep us healthy and well. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you like, and please have a healthy day.